Hi, Crystal. It's Ashley. I will not be on the webcam tonight. I dropped my Mac and the webcam hasn't been working for the past few days. I'm taking it tomorrow to see if they can fix it, so we will see what the future holds. Um, so I was looking at your author's agenda and it just kind of says you want to make sure you provided enough information, and you're worried that maybe you gave too much information. So I first off want to say that I commend you for teaching middle school, being in kindergarten, and having taught in kindergarten for the past few years since I started. I can't imagine middle school. I know that comes with its challenges, and I really commend you for teaching middle school and um, really appreciating the attitudes that come with that. So kudos to you. Um, I really love this third paragraph here where you go back and give me some detail about your school and where it's located and the poverty that's there, and the experiences that are heartbreaking, because I'm completely with you. That sounds so much like my school, and I'm sure when you read my piece, you saw that my school is very much like that as well. So I love the detail that you gave there. I also loved how much dialogue you gave, because as I was reading it, it just kind of helped me relate to the situation and kind of what was going on throughout this lesson, and also what types of thoughts, your kids are having. And I just thought it was really good how you gave dialogue throughout. Um, Lastly, I love how you told me how you felt the lesson was, because as teachers, I feel like we always need to reflect on how lessons went, if they could have gone better, what we could have done differently. And I just really like how you said the lesson was successful, the students seemed motivated. Um, I really love how throughout you talk about how excited you were throughout the lesson, and how they fed off of your energy. Um, and I just really thought that you did great. And I feel like you didn't give too much information. It flows really well, it's organized, and I think you did a really great job. I hope you are having a great weekend. See you next week.